Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. So, going to convey some anecdotal information that has come to my attention the past few days, which is there appears to be or going to be substantially heightened scrutiny associated with retirement visa financial evidence. What are we talking about here? We're talking about the documentation associated with either the lump sum amount in one's Thai bank account or documentation showing the ongoing income arising from an offshore pension coming into Thailand. And what has come to my attention via some of the folks that work here in our office that have told us things that they're hearing down here, and let me be clear, we're talking about Immigration Division 1, that's in Bangkok specifically and exclusively. So I'm not making this video and saying this is like a nationwide phenomenon. This does happen even in the capital, even in Division 1, we will see protocols put in place that you might not see anyplace else in Thailand or in certain other places in Thailand. Again, different offices oftentimes choose different times or operate or have different prerogatives regarding administrative functions, and they may or may not decide to take up similar steps. So we're talking about Bangkok Division 1 here. It appears are going to be scrutinizing much more highly, for lack of a better term, the documentation associated with retirement visas, specifically the financials. Now, this is not time to really panic. This is also not time to presume that we're looking at a whole, 2017-18 situation where I believe at the time the head of immigration was Big Joke and he was kind of upending things within immigration. I don't think that's necessarily what's going on. More to the point, what I think is happening is what I've been talking about for the past few months, which is ever since the emergency decree was repealed, the overriding discretion at Thai immigration has been repealed with it. And as we've discussed in other videos, the fact is it's going to get harder. I mean, that's just a fact. It's going to be more difficult to deal with immigration when you're not dealing with a situation where they have a lot of discretion. Because honestly, I don't think immigration officers want to say no necessarily. I mean, maybe sometimes they do, depending on who's before them. But I don't think that they're looking to just constantly cause consternation and to constantly be dealing with people that are kind of halfway angry or annoyed that they've had to deal with, heightened scrutiny or new requirements. I don't think they really enjoy it. They just kind of do what they have to do. No, what I think's going on here is, we're just kind of reverting back to the status quo anti-lockdown, which is basically, we're back to the immigration system as it was before. And I think that same scrutiny we were dealing with back then is going to kind of come back to the forefront. So I'm going to try to keep people updated on this. There's other visa categories that they are coming down pretty hard on. Got some further videos coming on that shortly. I'll certainly keep you updated as the situation unfolds.